Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Rahis Dewati. I am from Accounting Study Program, 4th semester. My number name is 2011005N1. I am from STI Pertiwi Karawang. In this occasion, I would like to presentation about active and passive voice. The first is active voice. Active voice is a sentence whose subject is doing something or doing a job. And passive voice is a sentence whose object is subject to work. The condition in the active sentence, there must be an object that will change later be the subject of the passive voice. And then there are a pattern. The pattern is be plus verb 3. Verb 1, there is and are. Verb 2, there was and were. Verb 3, there been. Verb ing, there being. Passive voice can be used to explain a number of things, such as the first, explain and describe the process, and the second, emphasize the news so that it feels more objective. The third, provide an introduction to more academic or formal activities such as letter, reports, essays, and lectures. The formula for active voice and passive voice can be different depending on the type of tenses. The following is the formula for active voice and passive voice for each tense and an example of each. The first is simple present tense. The active voice subject plus verb 1, s or es plus object. The passive voice object plus is or or are plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, he writes his talks. Passive voice, his talks is wrote by him. The second is present continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus is or are plus verb ing plus object. Passive voice, object plus is or are being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, I am watching television. The passive voice, television is being watching by me. The third present perfect tense. Active voice, subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. The passive voice, object plus have or has been plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, I have written my books already. The passive voice, my books have been written by me already. The fourth is present perfect continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus have or has been plus verb ing plus object. The passive voice, object plus have or has been being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, she has been teaching our class. The passive voice, our class has been being taught by her. The fifth, simple past tense. Active voice, subject plus verb 2 plus object. Passive voice, object plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, I cleaned my room yesterday. Passive voice, my room was cleaned by me yesterday. The sixth is past continuous tense. Active voice, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Passive voice, object plus was or were being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, my mother was cleaning our kitchen yesterday. Passive voice, our kitchen was being washed by my mother yesterday. The seventh, past perfect tense. The active voice, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. The passive voice, object plus had been plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence. Active voice, we had driven our car. The passive voice, our car had been driven by us. And the eighth, past perfect continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus had been plus verb ing plus object. The passive voice, object plus had been being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example, active voice, we had been bringing food. The passive voice, foods had been brought by us. The ninth, simple future tense. The active voice subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Passive voice is object plus will be plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, I will buy the book tomorrow. The passive voice, the book will be brought by me. And the 10, future continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. Passive voice, object plus will be being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, everyone will be telling the truth. Passive voice, the truth will be being told by everyone. And then the 11th, future perfect tense. Active voice, subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus object. The passive voice is object plus will have been plus verb 3 plus by subject. The example of sentence: active voice, we will have painted the wall. And passive voice, the wall will have been painted by us. The 12th, future perfect continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus will have plus been plus verb ing plus object. The passive voice, object plus will have been being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, they will have been staying until next week. The passive voice, their problem will have been solved by them. The 13, simple past future. The active voice, subject plus would plus verb 1 plus object. Passive voice, object plus would be plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, mother will call us tonight. The passive voice, we will be called by our mother. The 14, past future continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. The passive voice, object plus will be being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, he will be remembering the lesson. Passive voice, the lesson will be being remembered by him. And the 15, past future perfect tense. Active voice, subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus object. The passive voice, object plus will have been plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, you would have opened the door. The passive voice, the door would have been opened by you. And the 16th, past future perfect continuous tense. The active voice, subject plus would have been plus verb ing plus object. The passive voice, object plus would have been being plus verb 3 plus by subject. Example of sentence: active voice, Sinta would have been buying new clothes. The passive voice, new clothes would have been bought by Sinta. Passive voice with gerund. Gerund are used after preposition, and verb are usually followed by a gerund. Example: I remember being taught to drive. The children are excited about being taken to the zoo. The children are excited to be taken to the zero. Most film stars had been interviewed. Most film stars had to be interviewed. Poodles like to be pampered. Poodles like being pampered. And then using to the burn. To the burn is the passive form and is usually used in the past tense. However, in some cases, the present or future tense can be used. Example: I was born in 1976. Where were you born? Around 100 babies are born in the hospital every week. We don't know on exactly which day the baby will be born. Passive sentence in English consists of two elements: the appropriate form of the verb to be plus past participle. Positive sentence, active voice. The house was built in 1899. Passive voice. This house were built in 1899. Negative sentence, active voice. The house was not built in 1899. Passive voice. These houses were not built in 1899. Interrogative sentence. The active voice: was the house built in 1899? Passive voice: were these houses built in 1899? I think that's enough explanation about active and passive voice. I am sorry if there are shortcomings or mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.